Hello YouTube friend, welcome back to the New Car TV channel. Don't forget to like, comments, subscribe and share.
We have known that Lotus plans to replace its entire existing lineup with a single new car since January. Now the British sports car maker has confirmed the name for that next generation sports car, Emira, and released these teaser images. The Emira is set to launch later this year and will be sold in the US with full federal homologation. It will only be available in coupe form, and Windle confirmed that there are no plans for a roadster version. This will be the last new Lotus to be launched with an internal combustion engine. All the company's products beyond this will be of ''S. The Emira will come with a choice of two power plants. At the entry level, a new turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder will be offered exclusively with a twin-clutch transmission. Lotus hasn't said where this engine will be coming from, but insiders say it won't be a Volvo or Geely power unit. Above this will be a developed version of the supercharged Toyota V6 from the Evora, which will come with the choice of either a 6-speed manual gearbox or a torque converter automatic. Contrary to some earlier reports, Windle confirmed that there won't be a hybrid or plug-in variant. Lotus plans to make a straight transition to full electrification. We're told that the 4-cylinder version will make more than 300 horsepower, and we can safely expect the V6 to produce at least as much as the 416 horsepower output of the Evora GT, meaning a performance overlap with both the Porsche Cayman and the lower reaches of the 911 range. We've tried to cover as many bases as possible, Windle told Car and Driver. 2 power plants will enable us to cover most of that market. It's a Lotus that you can live with. We've given it broader appeal, but it's still a fantastic sports car with a range of different models that will go from base spec up to an R. The Emira will continue to sit on a bonded aluminum architecture, although the teaser images make clear that its external design has been inspired by the carbon fiber EVs.The hypercar. We're told to expect a much plusher cabin than previous Lotus models, with insiders saying the car will feature both digital instruments and a capacitive touchscreen for main control functions. It will also be the first Lotus to have active safety systems, although none that require steering intervention. That's because, like the EVs.The Emira will be sticking with hydraulically assisted steering on the basis of better feel and feedback, which matters more to Lotus than the ability to add lane keeping with pure electric power steering. This won't be possible for much longer, Windle said. The forthcoming European GSR2 regulations, coming in 2027, mandate active driver assistance that will need EPS. But it's good to see that these details still matter. We'll see the finished Emira in July, and it will be on sale by the end of the year. Anticipate pricing to run from the mid $60,000s to the low $100,000s.